BSc, major English literature.
English literature. Okay, that's good. Okay. So, do you have any question, Mr. Iqbal, to Miss Diska? Do you
Huh?
have any question to
Eh,
Miss Diska? Do you have?
oh, oke.
Yes.
Miss Miss apa namanya?
Miss Diska.
Namanya?
Her name is
Ah,
Miss Diska.
Diskariasti.
Yeah.
oh, Diska.
Yes.
Where do you come from, Miss Diska?
I'm from Bogor.
Oh, Bogor. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. And her major, her study major is English literature. Her studies
Yeah.
major, yes, at her university is English literature. Yes, so also in English, and that's yes a little bit different with me because I was graduate from English education actually in Pelita Bangsa, but it was a long time ago in 2011, so long time ago, about 9 years ago. Yes, so long time. Now 2020, and I was graduate in 2011, so 9 years. It's been 9 years now. Okay, so okay, now if you don't have any question, we can start the class. Okay, before I would like to introduce myself. Yes, my name is Mukhori Mustafa, and I'm as the English teacher. Actually I have been teaching English. Yeah, I have been teaching English for 6 years now. Started in 2014 until now actually. So it has been 6 years. Yes. At first I was teaching in Batam in Rio Islands, and now I've been in Bogor actually. Yeah, and staying here for 3 months now. Okay, so okay, we can start the class. You can click the link that I have sent to the WhatsApp group. So you can click the link. You can clicking. We still continue a little bit of the trending topic that yesterday. Actually, yes, the day before yesterday. So 2 days ago. 2 days ago we had discussed. Yeah, we had discussed in the class. Okay, so this is the trending topic. Okay, we can discuss little bit in this trending topic, then we will move to our website. Okay, Miss Eka, are you hearing me? Are you hearing my voice now?
Yes, but
Oh,
not clearly, but it's okay lah.
okay. Yeah, sometimes not clearly, properly, but the connections problem maybe.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, Mr. Burhanuddin cannot join with us because in WhatsApp we can only able to call 3 person. It's not more than 3 person actually. If we call by WhatsApp calling like that. So the next meeting maybe we will use Hangouts, so we can calling more than 3 person. Yes, we can make conference calling more than 3 person if we call by Hangouts. Okay, so now, Miss Diska, can you see Tarawih from home? Can you see Tarawih from home in this
I'm
trending
sorry,
topic?
Mister. I can hear your voice.
Okay, okay. So how about now? Are you hearing my voice now? Hello, are you hearing my voice, Miss Diska?
Yeah, Mister.
Okay. So can you see Tarawih from home from this trending topic? Tarawih from home.
Oh, can you repeat again?
Yes, actually you can click the link that I have sent to the WhatsApp group. You can click the link.
Oh, okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so you can see button di bawah. You can see button Tarawih from home. Tarawih from home. The title Tarawih from home. Can you see it? Yes. Have you seen Miss Diska Tarawih from home?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you read the paragraph after Tarawih from home? The paragraph Saudi Arabia announced. Can you read?
I read.
Yes, you must read the paragraph. Okay, please read. You can reading for us.
From timeline.
Saudi Arabia announced. Yes. After Tarawih from home, you can see Saudi Arabia announced.
Oh, where?
Yes, you can see below.
I just say the topic or I read this.
You can read the Tarawih from home, then Saudi Arabia. Okay, you can read Tarawih from
Yeah.
home. Okay. Just the
Oh, Tarawih from home. Okay.
yes.
Saudi Arabia announced last week the two holy mosques in Mecca and Medina will remain closed throughout Ramadan, saying Tarawih prayers will be held without public attendance.
Okay, stop.
Similarly,
Stop. That's good.
okay.
Okay, that's good. Okay, actually, this is talking about that Saudi Arabia last week already announced for the two holy mosques in Mecca and Medina. That's mean Masjidil Haram in Mecca, and in Medina is the Mosque of Nabawi. The Mosque of Nabawi or Masjidil Nabawi in Medina would remain closed, akan ditutup throughout Ramadan, selama bulan Ramadan. And Tarawih prayers, sholat Tarawih, saying Tarawih prayers, mengatakan sholat Tarawih would be held without public attendance, akan diadakan tanpa kehadiran publik, tanpa kehadiran masyarakat umum. Okay, so do you understand about this paragraph? Actually, Miss Diska, do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Okay, so the next paragraph, please read by Mr. Iqbal for the next paragraph. Similarly.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Okay.
Yeah. The next paragraph.
Similarly.
Yes,
Okay.
Mr. Iqbal, can you read the
Oh,
next
Mr. Iqbal.
paragraph? Yes, Mr. Iqbal, actually. Can you read
Wait,
it?
sir.
Yes. Yeah.
Yang
Similarly, yes.
Hah?
The next paragraph.
Similarly.
Similarly, Jerusalem. Tarawih from home, then you see below the second paragraph from Tarawih from home. The second.
Tarawih.
Yes, after
Muslim.
similarly, after Tarawih from home, you can see similarly Jerusalem.
Oh, similarly.
Yes. Okay, please read.
Similarly, Jerusalem Al-Aqsa Mosque compound, Islam third holy city, announced its doors would remain shut to worshippers throughout the fasting month.
Okay, that's good. Ms. Jiska, can you translate for us for the second paragraph? Can you translate similarly?
Hmm, I know, but I can't translate.
Okay,
Is there?
okay. So I will translate. I will translate for this paragraph actually. Similarly, Jerusalem Al-Aqsa Mosque compound. The meaning is semisal Jerusalem Al-Aqsa Mosque, Masjid Al-Aqsa Jerusalem compound. Compound the meaning is sekitar. Sekitar Masjid Al-Aqsa Jerusalem, the Islam third holy site. Islam's third holy site. Bagian uh, Islam, bagian tempat suci ketiga umat Islam. Site the meaning is situs or bagian sisi. Ya, sisi tempat suci ketiga umat Islam is Al-Aqsa Mosque, Masjid Al-Aqsa. Announced, ya, mengumumkan. Its door would remain shut. Its door would remain shut. Pintu-pintunya akan ditutup. To worshipper, untuk orang yang beribadah. Yes, worship is beribadah, and worshipper is orang yang beribadah. So the meaning is umat yang beribadah. Throughout the fasting months. Throughout the fasting month. Selama bulan puasa. Ya, hal serupa, ya, similarly the meaning is serupa, mirip or serupa, the same meaning. Hal serupa juga di Masjid Al-Aqsa di Jerusalem, ya, di sekitar Masjid Al-Aqsa Jerusalem, yaitu bagian tempat suci ketiga umat Islam, juga mengumumkan pintu-pintunya akan ditutup untuk orang yang beribadah selama bulan suci, selama bulan puasa. Okay. Then once paragraph again. Please read, Miss Eka. Please reading the next paragraph, please. Yes.
Okay. The decision was in line with legal fatwas, Islamic rulings, and medical advice.
Yes, Islamic
Rulings.
Yes.
Okay, Islamic rulings and medical advice. Jerusalem Islamic Waqf.
Yes.
The Jordan appointed council that oversees the site said in a statement.
Yes, that's good. Yes. The decision was in line with legal fatwas, Islamic rulings, and medical advice, Jerusalem's Islamic Waqf. The Jordan appointed council that oversees the site said in a statement. Keputusannya, decision is a keputusan. Keputusannya was in line, telah dibaris with legal fatwas, telah dibarisan dengan fatwa legal, dengan fatwa resmi. Fatwa adalah Islamic ruling, peraturan Islam. Fatwa Islamic ruling atau peraturan Islam. Yes, ruling is a peraturan. And medical advice, dan saran medis, saran-saran medis. Advice the meaning is nasihat atau berupa saran juga bisa, advice. Jerusalem Islamic Waqf, Waqf Islamic Jerusalem. Jordan appointed, Jordan ditunjuk. Council that oversees, council the meaning is dewan, dewan overseas luar negeri, the site, situs dewan luar negeri. Jordan ditunjuk sebagai situs dewan luar negeri. Said in a statement, dikatakan di dalam suatu statement. Ya, keputusannya ini, ya, keputusannya bahwa Masjidil Aqsa akan ditutup selama bulan puasa, yaitu sudah diambil dari fatwa resmi dan sebagai saran medis yang sebagaimana Jordan ya, di sini Jordan itu Jordania ditunjuk sebagai kansel, sebagai dewan luar negeri ya, di bagian ini. Artinya sudah difatwakan. Di sini ada yang bertanggung jawab ya, di sini. Berdasarkan fatwa Islam, fatwa legal, fatwa resmi dan saran medis bahwa Masjidil Aqsa wajib ditutup selama bulan puasa ini. Okay, so actually one paragraph, the last one is one paragraph again. Please read by Miss Diska. Please read the announcement actually, the announcement.
Okay.
Yes.
The announcement reflected in general consensus among Muslim scholars and authorities across the world on guidelines they agreed to follow. According to Amanullah the Sondi, a senior lecturer in contemporary Islam at University College of Cork.
Yes. Okay. The announcements. What is the meaning of announcement, Miss Diska? What is the meaning of announcement actually?
Pemberitahuan.
Yes, pemberitahuan. Pemberitahuannya reflected the general consensus among Muslim. Berefleksi,
kepada ya.
Yes, reflected. Ya, berefleksi ya, atau beracuan juga bisa ya.
Ya, I don't know about the general consensus, Mister.
General consensus. Yes, consensus, the meaning is like consensus. What is the meaning? Consensus itu dengan sependapat, dengan like musyawarah, something like that, assembly, musyawarah, or discussions, general discussions, musyawarah, diskusi umum, konsensus.
Okay.
Yes.
Diskusi umum.
Yeah.
Muslim ya.
Yes, Muslim scholars, cendekiawan Muslim, and authorities across the world.
Dan
authorities.
Apa ya author?
Authorities, wewenang.
Okay.
Across the world. Yes. Di seluruh dunia. Across the world, the meaning is di seluruh dunia. Across the world, seluruh dunia. Authorities, wewenang, across the world, seluruh dunia. On guidelines, the meaning is pedoman. On guidelines, the meaning pada pedoman. Guidelines, the meaning is pedoman. They agreed to follow. Mereka setuju untuk mengikuti. Agreed, the meaning is setuju or menyetujui. Agreed, setuju. To follow, untuk mengikuti. According to Amanullah the Sondi. According, disesuaikan kepada Amanullah the Sondi, a senior lecturer, dosen senior, seorang dosen senior, a senior lecturer, seorang dosen senior. Lecture, the meaning is pelajaran di kuliah atau materi perkuliahan is lecture. Kalau lecturer adalah orang yang memberikan materi perkuliahan atau dosen, kita sebut sebagai dosen. A senior lecturer, the meaning is seorang dosen senior in contemporary Islam at University College. Ya, di Islam kontemporer, ya, di Universitas Islam Kontemporer. College of Cork. Ini di Inggris kemungkinan universitasnya. College sama dengan college ya, perguruan tinggi, college perguruan tinggi, university, university college ya. Ini bisa perguruan tinggi, universitas perguruan tinggi. University the meaning is universitas, and college the meaning is perguruan tinggi ya, college.
College,
yeah,
perguruan tinggi.
yes, so mahasiswa or mahasiswi, you can say college ya. I am colleger ya, colleger is a mahasiswa or mahasiswi. I am colleger ya, tambahan R ya, colleger ya, I am a colleger, saya seorang mahasiswi or mahasiswa, same ini. Yes. Like Miss Diska is a colleger, also Mr. Iqbal is a colleger also. Yes, mahasiswa. Okay, so this paragraph is explain about the second paragraph. Is explain about the second paragraph and the third paragraph. Menjelaskan tentang paragraf kedua dan paragraf ketiga. Ya. Pengumumannya ini berdasarkan konsensus, berdasarkan diskusi atau musyawarah seluruh umat Islam, ya, seluruh cendekiawan Islam. Muslim scholars, the meaning is cendekiawan Islam, dan authorities ya, dan wewenang-wewenang di seluruh dunia. Ya, mereka sudah melakukan musyawarah. Ya, dan pedomannya mereka setuju untuk mengikuti, ya, untuk diikuti, mereka setuju. Ya, berdasarkan Amanullah Desondi. Ya, ini adalah dosen senior di Universitas Islam Kontemporer yang ada di University College of Cork. Okay, so this is actually enough we discuss about this. So we going to our website. I will send a link to your WhatsApp. I will send a link so you can see your WhatsApp. You can see the groups of WhatsApp actually. So you can click the link, please. Click the link, Mr. Iqbal, then actually Miss Eka, and Miss Diska also. Please click the link. Okay, so have you clicked the link?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I was clear.
Okay, that's good. So you can see vocabulary. Yes.
Okay.
I already made the summarize from the paragraph from all paragraph. I already made the summarize. So I summarized the 23rd paragraph until 25th paragraph. And we also got some vocabularies from that. Okay, Mr. Actually, you can make the mode silent, the silent mode in your WhatsApp. Actually, you can make the silent mode. So when I ask you, you can turn on your silent mode, so the voice will be better. Like Mr. Iqbal, please read the 23rd paragraph, the summarize, please, rangkumannya. Please, you can read, Mr. Iqbal, this year. You can read from this year. Mr. Iqbal.
Yang
Okay,
yang mana?
have you clicked the link that I sent?
Yes, I have.
Okay, so you can see below, you can see bottom di bawah, paragraph 23rd until
Bottom.
yes, you can see paragraph 23rd until 25th. You can see that. Okay, then you can read the summary rangkumannya. Have you seen the paragraph?
Rangkum.
Yes, paragraph. You see praktek di grup online, right? You see praktek di.
Praktek di grup online.
Yes, you can scrolling down again. You can scrolling down, scrolling ke
Yeah.
bawah. Okay, then you can see paragraph 23rd until 25th. That's right.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, you can read that. This year you can read that.
This year.
Yes, you can read.
Okay. This year, with mosques and Islamic centers remaining closed and social distancing measures in place, Ramadan will be observed online, socially and spiritually, with virtual iftars, live streamed lectures, and Quran recitation, said MCB Khan.
Okay, okay, okay. Let's stop. Yes, actually this year, with mosques and Islamic centers remaining closed, so Miss Eka, can you translate for me? Can you translate for us actually, Miss Eka? Until remaining this year with mosque.
Oke.
Yes.
Oke. Tahun ini the masjid dan Islamic Center remaining apa ya?
Remaining closed, the meaning is ditutup. Yes.
Ditutup dan social distancing dan jaga jarak ya.
Yes. Yes. Jaga jarak sosial.
Jaga jarak.
Measure in place.
Di setiap tempat.
Yes, measure.
Ramadan
yes, measure
akan measure diukur ya di tempat ya.
Ya, Ramadan
pengukuran di tempat.
Observe, diadakan
atau
dilaksanakan.
Ramadan akan dilakukan secara online.
Yes.
Socially and spiritually.
Akan dilakukan secara online. Yes, that's good. That's already good. Okay, so akan dilakukan secara online, socially, ya secara sosial. Socially the meaning is secara sosial, and spiritually secara keagamaan. Spiritual is keagamaan. Secara keagamaan with virtual iftar. Do you know iftar, Miss Eka? Iftar?
Iftar buka puasa ya?
Yes, buka puasa. Same with breakfasting or open fasting, that's same meaning. Iftar is buka puasa also. Yes. Then live streamed lecturers. Ya. Pembelajaran secara langsung, live streaming. Ya, pembelajaran live streaming. Ya, mungkin akan ada ceramah-ceramah. Ya. Lecturers ceramah, ya, also can ceramah. Like a kultum, ceramah 7 menit, ya, kultum. Kuliah 7 menit. Ya. So lecturers is like a kuliah, ya. Kuliah siaran langsung. And Quran recitations. Do you still remember our Quran recitation, Miss Eka?
Recitation pengajian.
Yes, dan pengajian Al-Quran online. Yes, live stream. Site MCB kan. Okay. That's good. Yes, that's good translation from Miss Eka. Okay. Actually, you have good skill in English, actually, Miss Eka. Actually, that's good. You already catch that. So, okay, so Miss Diska, can you read the next paragraph, please? Miss Diska, please read the next paragraph.
However,
Yes,
Yes.
However, given that almost all scholars agree congregational prayers cannot be held via the internet, Muslims who wish to pray in congregation will be doing so in their own homes with those they live with, being led by one of the family members, he added.
Yes. Okay, that's good. Okay, please make silent mode in your cell phone so the voice will be better. Please make silent mode. Yes, all can make silent mode in your cell phone. Okay, so this is however, bagaimanapun, given that almost all scholars agree, yang memberikan bahwa hampir seluruh scholars agree, hampir seluruh cendekiawan setuju, congregational prayers, sholat berjamaah, cannot be held via the internet, tidak bisa dilaksanakan dengan internet. Meskipun ya, sebagian hampir semuanya, hampir semua cendekiawan setuju sholat berjamaah tidak bisa dilakukan dengan internet. Muslim who wish to pray in congregation, Muslim yang ingin sholat berjamaah, will be doing, akan melaksanakan. So, will be doing so, the meaning is akan melaksanakan juga. Ya, so the meaning is juga. Also can will be doing so. Ya, akan melaksanakan juga. For example, when someone asking you, how are you? Or how is it going? How is it going? The meaning is how are you? Apa kabar? I'm good. I'm good. And how about you? I'm so good. Or I'm good so. Okay, saya juga bagus. Or I think so. Saya pikir juga begitu. I think so. Saya pikir juga. I think so. At the same meaning. Okay, so jadi ya, so bisa artinya jadi, ya, bisa juga juga kalau dia di belakang. Will be doing so, meaning akan melaksanakan juga. Their own homes, ya, in their own homes, di rumah mereka. Ya, in their own homes, meaning is in di rumah mereka. On is a milik, so owner is a pemilik. This is my own home. Ini rumah saya sendiri ya. Own the meaning is milik. Ini rumah milik saya sendiri. This is my own home. It's okay. Will be doing in their own home, akan melaksanakan di rumah mereka. With those they live with, dengan siapa mereka live with, ya, mereka tinggal, maksudnya dengan keluarga mereka. With those they, ya ini bisa dibaca live, bisa dibaca live, ya tinggal tempatnya. Live ini kalau dia letaknya dia Mr. Iqbal, are you there? Okay, still connect. Actually, Miss Eka on hold. Yeah. Okay, was no problem. Yeah. So we'll be doing. Miss Diska, actually, can you translate for us from this? Will be doing so in their own homes. Can you translate for us, Miss Diska?
Yang mana, Mister?
Will be doing so.
Will be doing so.
Yes.
Akan melakukannya juga di rumah mereka ya?
Yes. Yeah.
Dengan yang tinggal dengan mereka.
Yes. Yang tinggal dengan mereka. Being led by what? Yes, please translate.
I don't know but led.
Dipimpin. Yang dipimpin.
Being led.
Yang dipimpin. Yes, the meaning is yang dipimpin. Yes.
Oleh anggota keluarganya. Yang
Okay.
dipimpin oleh anggota keluarganya.
Yes. So the meaning is being led by one of the family members, ya, yang dipimpin oleh salah satu anggota keluarganya, ya. By one of the family members. Yes, yang dipimpin oleh salah satu anggota keluarganya. He added, dia menambahkan. He ini siapa yang bilang he ini? Dia laki-laki ini. Ya, dia laki-laki.
MCB kan?
Ya, MCB kan. Ya, he added. Ya, MCB kan menambahkan. Ya, jadi meskipun ini sebagian atau hampir seluruh cendekiawan Muslim menyetujui kalau kita bisa sosial Ramadan, ya, Ramadan dengan online, maksudnya melakukan Ramadan dengan online, ya, secara sosial dan spiritual tadi, secara keagamaan, yaitu dengan buka puasa online juga. Jadi seumpama saya buka puasa di rumah juga disiarkan dengan online. Akhirnya Miss Eka juga bisa lihat saya buka puasa di rumah. Kemudian Mr. Iqbal juga bisa lihat, oh Miss Eka buka puasa dengan apa, Miss Diska buka puasa dengan apa, karena disiarkan online, ya kan. Ya, seperti itu. Kemudian juga ada pembelajaran online, ada kuliah online juga seperti kultum, ya kan, kultum online. Ya, meskipun mungkin yang kultum Mr. Iqbal di rumahnya, kemudian saya juga bisa mendengarkan Mr. Iqbal kultum, Miss Eka juga bisa mendengarkan, begitu juga Miss Diska juga bisa mendengarkan, ya, seperti itu. Dan membaca Al-Quran juga online, live streaming, ya. Jadi Mr. Iqbal baca Al-Quran, Miss Eka bisa menyemak, saya bisa menyemak, kemudian Miss Diska juga bisa menyemak atau menyimak bacaan Al-Qurannya, ya. Tetapi di sini ditambahkan lagi oleh MCB kan, ya. Meskipun semuanya setuju, meskipun para cendekiawan hampir semuanya setuju, ya, tetapi kalau sholat itu nggak bisa dilaksanakan via internet. Kalau sholat berjamaah, ya, contohnya Mr. Iqbal sholat berjamaah itu sholat tarawih berjamaah di rumahnya. Miss Eka nggak bisa ngikutin sholat berjamaahnya Mr. Iqbal, jadi nggak bisa disiarkan lewat internet kalau sholat. Ya, kalau iftar oke lah, bisa, ya kan, bisa saling melihat, oh saya iftar dengan kurma, saya iftar dengan apa ya, dengan kolak mungkin, ya. Atau dengan apa, ya, saya nggak tahu, ya. Kalau di Bogor makan favoritnya apa, ya, tapi bisa saling menyaksikan. Kuliah online juga bisa, baca Al-Quran online juga bisa. Tetapi kalau sholat itu tidak bisa melalui internet. Cuma sholat saja nggak bisa, ya. Ya, jadi MCB kan bilang, ya, MCB kan kemarin udah dibilangnya adalah pemimpin cendekiawan Islam di Inggris, ya. Dewan Pemimpin Cendekiawan Islam Inggris, kan ini. Ya, beliau bilang kalau sholat dia nggak bisa dilaksanakan secara online, ya. Kalau sholat kita sebagai orang muslim juga kita akan melaksanakannya juga, maka sholat bisa dilakukan di rumah masing-masing, ya kan, di rumah masing-masing yang dipimpin oleh setiap anggota, ya, atau salah satu anggota keluarga kita yang akan memimpin sholat, itu bisa. Tapi kalau online itu nggak bisa. Contohnya Imam As-Sudais di Saudi Arabia, dia mimpin sholat di sana, imam sholat di sana. Kita mau sholat ngikutin Imam As-Sudais juga nggak bisa. Tidak bisa disiarkan online intinya kalau sholat, ya. Kalau yang lainnya bisa. Okay. So do you have any question for this paragraph actually? Mr. Iqbal, do you have any question for this paragraph?
No, I now have question.
Okay, you have no question. Miss Eka, do you have any question?
No, I don't have.
Okay, Miss Diska, do you have?
No, I not have.
Okay, okay. So I will ask to you, Miss Diska. Actually, what is
Yes.
your opinion about this paragraph? Is this good or not? Actually, for us, about this paragraph. Actually,
Uh,
yes.
yang berapa ya?
Yeah, about this two paragraph, paragraph 23rd then paragraph 25th. Is this paragraph good for us or not actually?
The topic.
Yes, this paragraph. Okay.
Uh, my opinion, the topic is um prayer, pray in internet.
Yes.
Uh,
This is good or not?
is um it can but if pray solid pray in the congregation, it can.
Okay. Okay. So I will ask to Miss Eka. Uh, Miss Eka, do you have any opinion for this paragraph? Actually, the two paragraph of this paragraph 23rd and 25th, that we can observe Ramadan online, socially and spiritually. What is your opinion?
Hmm,
Yes.
I think better if we can do all prayers at home and we can learn. Hello,
Yes, yes. I am hearing you.
and we can yes, I'm agree with MC Biskan that we can uh, beribadah apa ya? We can
Worship.
worship. We can worship from streaming and with social media or online. We can do Quran recitation and we can pray together with our family at home.
Okay, that's good.
Uh, maybe that is my opinion.
Yes, that's good. Yes, okay, thank you for your opinion. Okay, that's great. Yes, actually, yes, the answer like that. The answer was like that, like Miss Eka said. Yes, actually, we can do worship by online. Like we can do worship beribadah by online, from social media or anything we can do by online. And we can do Al-Quran recitation, pengajian Al-Quran by online. Also we can do. Yes. So that's all we can do. But for prayers, ya, untuk sholat, we can do in our homes. Better we can do in our homes and lead by one of our family members, dipimpin oleh salah satu anggota keluarga kita. Yes, because that will more concentration, will more focus. Yeah, if we praying at home, yeah, and not online prayer, but prayer at home. Yes. If we doing online prayer, maybe we'll have problem with the connections, or maybe we'll, yeah, something about trouble. Yes, the connections trouble. Yeah, so that will make a problem also. And we don't have guidelines to doing that. Kita nggak punya pedoman untuk melakukan itu. Because that's a really different with Islam's guidelines, ya, dengan benar-benar berbeda dengan pedoman Islam. Ya. If we doing prayers online, that's sholat online. We don't have any guidelines, pedoman. Okay, that's good. So I will ask to Mr. Iqbal. Actually, Miss Eka has good also good opinion. Mr. Iqbal, um, what is your opinion for this paragraph? Hello, Mr. Iqbal. What is your opinion for this
Uh,
paragraph? Yes,
my opinion.
yes.
Hmm, apa ya? No, I don't have opinion
You can giving opinion.
because
Yeah. In Indonesian it's okay. In English it's okay. So I will translate.
because because her opinion, Miss Giska, Miss Eka is very good answer.
Yes, no problem. But you can still giving an opinion for us. Actually, yeah. How about that? Actually, about your opinions for this paragraph. You can giving some actually beberapa. Sam, it's okay. Sam with Miss Eka or Miss Diska. It's okay. Okay, so yes, because they already answered all. Mereka sudah menjawab semuanya. Yes, about this paragraph. Okay, so that's okay, no problem. Yeah. We already got the conclusion. Kita sudah mendapatkan kesimpulannya. Okay, you can see the vocabulary. Miss Eka, do you see the vocabulary?
Yes, I see for vocabulary.
Yes. Okay, so this is still azan. So you all actually you can read the actually you can see the vocabulary first. You can see and yeah,
Okay.
yes, see the vocabulary. Then after azan we will continue again. Is that okay? Just see the vocabulary first. Then after azan we will continue again to discuss. Okay, so
Yes, hello.
Yes. Okay, we can continue again. Okay, hello.
Hello.
Yes, Miss Diska, are you there?
Yeah,
Okay, and how about you, Mr. Iqbal?
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
there.
okay, okay, so we can continue again about this. Yes, this is the vocabulary that we got from the topic, from the trending topic. Okay, so Mr. Iqbal, please read the first vocabulary remaining. Please read the first vocabulary remaining.
Remaining,
Yes, remaining.
remaining, still exciting,
Exist,
present
exist,
or
not exciting.
ex-
Existing,
still
exist.
existing,
Okay.
still existing, present, present or in use, surviving.
Yes, remaining. The meaning is still existing. Ya, artinya masih eksis, ya, still existing, masih eksis, masih berjalan. Present bisa juga berarti present saat ini. Or in use atau dalam penggunaan. Surviving. Surviving artinya apa? Survive. What is the meaning of survive? Bertahan, ya. Survive. What is the meaning of survive? Miss Diska. What is the meaning of survive actually?
Survive.
Yes. Survive is bertahan, right? Bertahan.
Bertahan.
Yes, survive. If you if you have ever seen the TV television program Survivor in television program actually in Trans TV, and usually the star sorry Ruben Ensu, right? Actually the star bintangnya, the actress Ensu as a survivor in the television program, as a bertahan,
Okay.
surviving, bertahan. Then observe. Then the second vocabulary is observe. Please read, Miss Diska. Observe.
yeah,
Halo, sir. Halo,
Ye-
sir.
yes, yes.
Sorry. Before continue for observe, remaining, it's mean sisa
Sisa,
in bahasa is sisa ya.
sisa, so okay, remains. This is your money
Because
remains. Yes, sisa. Still existing.
remaining ya, remaining.
Yes. Artinya ada beberapa di sini still existing atau masih berjalan. In present, saat ini juga bisa. Remaining, dia ada beberapa arti.
Sisa ya, oke.
Sisa juga remain sisa, remaining menyisakan, remaining menyisakan. Karena ada kata apa? Imbuhan ing dalam bahasa Inggris itu imbuhan me dalam bahasa Indonesia. Awalan me dalam bahasa Indonesia. Seperti sweep, sapu, sweeping menjadi menyapu, seperti sapu menjadi menyapu, seperti itu. Kemudian
Oke.
sit, duduk, sitting ya, artinya ya duduk juga sama. Kemudian
Oke.
ya read, baca, reading menjadi membaca, seperti itu. Okay, so observe. Please read, Miss Diska. Observe.
yeah, Mister.
Yes, please read observe in this vocabulary. Observe. Read the second vocabulary, please. The second.
Oh,
Yes, have you seen?
yang mana, Mister?
Yes, observe.
Observe.
Observe. Number 2, the second.
Number
Observe.
2,
Yes, second vocabulary.
Bagian mana ya?
Observe. After remaining, you can see observe, right? Below, di bawah remaining.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Vocabulary.
Vocabulary. Maybe she doesn't understand. Okay, please read by Miss Eka. Please read number 2, please.
Observe is maintain or silence in compliance with a rule or custom, or temporarily as a mark of respect.
Yes, that's the meaning of observe. Miss Diska, can you see the vocabulary? Can you see the
Vocabulary.
Yes. Below the paragraph 23rd until 25th. Yes. Have you seen? Have you found that vocabulary? Di bawahnya ini praktek di grup online. Ya, klik link yang sudah saya kirimkan barusan.
Iya.
Ya, nanti kan masuk ke paragraf 23 sampai 25 gitu kan.
Paragraf
3 sampai 25 ada tulisannya seperti itu kan, paragraf 23 sampai 25.
I found paragraph 11.
Berarti belum diklik linknya, makanya nggak nyambung karena linknya belum diklik. Klik link yang di grup online itu kan ada tulisannya praktek bahasa Inggris lewat berita. Praktek bahasa Inggris lewat berita yang barusan saya kirimkan di grup WA. Coba dilihat di grup WA. Praktek bahasa Inggris lewat berita, yaitu diklik. Sudah belum? Sudah diklik. Oh, jadi dari tadi belum diklik linknya. Sudah, Miss Diska? Kalau belum, saya kirimkan lagi linknya. Saya kirimkan ke Miss Diska. Sudah diklik belum kira-kira linknya? Sudah ketemu?
Yang kedua kan link.
Iya, link yang kedua. Iya, sudah.
Oh,
Iya, link yang kedua.
nggak kebar saya yang ini ya.
Iya. Sudah diklik belum? Bentar, saya kirimkan lagi ya linknya. Mungkin belum diklik. I will send you back. Oke, yang ini diklik. Masuk Halena English Course praktek bahasa Inggris lewat berita. Say no problem. Yes, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, actually we haven't connected yet to Miss Diska. Okay, so you can see. Okay, hello Miss Diska.
I found it.
Okay, so have you found the link? Have you clicked? Have you clicked the link? Praktek bahasa Inggris lewat berita. Sudah diklik linknya?
Sudah.
Okay, so you can see praktek bahasa Inggris lewat berita, right?
Vocabulary.
Yes, you can see bottom di bawah vocabulary. Have you found? Sudah ketemu? Have you found? Okay, have you found the vocabulary, Miss Diska?
Yes, I found vocabulary.
Okay, please read the second vocabulary. Number 2, the second.
Observe.
Yes, observe. Yes.
Observe.
What is the meaning?
Maintain silence in compliance with a rule of custom or temporary as a mark of respect.
Yes. Observations. Observe. Yeah. Observe the meaning is maintain silence. Maintain silence in compliance with a rule or custom. Ya, maintain silence artinya diam, in complaints.
Diam.
Ya, complaints artinya keluhan, complaints. Complaints, yes, keluhan. With a rule or custom, dengan suatu peraturan. Custom juga custom juga bisa berarti dia peraturan juga. Or temporarily, ya, as a mark of respect. Mark artinya tanda, respect artinya penghormatan, ya, atau tanda penghormatan sementara. Ya, observe ya di sini bisa berarti in a compliance with a rule or custom. Ya, maintain silent in compliance with a rule or custom. Artinya dia tidak komplain ya, dengan suatu peraturan ya, atau kebijakan. Dia artinya menjalankan gitu. Observe di sini artinya menjalankan. Okay. So number 3 is iftar. Please read Mr. Iqbal iftar. The third vocabulary, please. Mr. Iqbal, hello. Are you hearing me? Hello, Mr. Iqbal. Are you there? Hello.
I am.
Yes. Please read the
But
third vocabulary. Iftar.
third
Vocabulary. Iftar.
iftar.
Yes. Iftar. Please read.
Iftar.
Yeah.
The evening meal eaten by Muslim after the sun has gone down during Ramadan.
Okay. Please stop.
Then
Yes. Please stop for that. Yes. Okay. So iftar is the evening meal. Miss Eka, can you translate for us actually? Iftar, the evening meal eaten. Yes.
Iftar adalah makan sore.
Yes.
Oleh Muslim makan sore setelah matahari tenggelam.
Yes, tenggelam.
Saat bulan Ramadan.
Yes.
Atau maghrib.
Saat bulan Ramadan atau yes, maghrib. Jadi iftar adalah evening meals, ya, makan sore atau evening itu senja sebenarnya. Senja itu matahari sudah tenggelam, ya, senja. Kalau bahasa Indonesianya senja, evening. Bahasa Inggrisnya evening, ya. Makan di waktu senja oleh umat Islam, oleh umat Muslim, ya, setelah matahari has gone down, setelah matahari sudah tenggelam selama bulan Ramadan. Ya, artinya berbuka puasa. Ya, iftar artinya berbuka puasa atau breakfasting. Same meaning. Ya, bulan Ramadan di sini dijelaskan the 9 month of the Muslim year. Bulan ke-9 di tahun Islam, artinya di tanggalan Islam, dia bulan ke-9 di tanggalan Islam, ya kan ada Zulhijjah dan Ramadan, ada apa Sa'ban, kemudian Ramadan. Nah, itu bulan ke-9 di tanggalan Islam adalah Ramadan, during which the time Muslim have no food or drink during the day. Ya, selama yaitu waktu umat Islam tidak makan dan minum di siang hari, artinya berpuasa dan Ramadan. Okay, actually you already understood about the fourth vocabulary, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8. You already understood. Okay, so can you see the practice makes perfect? Practice makes perfect. Can you see that? Practice makes perfect. Mr. Iqbal, can you see practice makes perfect? below the vocabulary, di bawah kosakata. Below the vocabulary, you can see practice makes perfect. Dan setiap member,
Practice
yes,
makes perfect.
yes. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you, Miss Eka? Can you see?
Yes, I see that.
Okay. And Miss Diska, can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Please read Miss Diska setiap member seolah-olah. Please read.
Yes, sir.
You can read setiap member seolah-olah. You can read that.
Setiap member seolah-olah memiliki alasan pribadi tentang media virtual yang paling sesuai diterapkan saat itu coronavirus di bulan Ramadan.
Okay.
Virtual tarawih, virtual iftar, live streamed lectures, live streamed Quran recitation.
Okay, good. Okay, so this is you must argumentation. This is your session is argument. Yes, you must argumenting your opinion. Yes. If you have opinion, you must argumenting, make argumentations. Argumentation is pendapat, menguatkan pendapat. So this is about virtual tarawih, then virtual iftar, and after that live streamed lectures, and live streamed Quran recitations. So I will ask one by one. Yes, I will ask to you one by one. What is the best thing? Hal yang paling bagus. Thing is hal. Belakangnya G. THING. Thing artinya hal. Ya. Atau things, hal-hal. Kalau belakangnya K artinya berpikir. Think. Dia agak mantul ya. Kalau belakangnya K dia memantul ya. Think. Tapi kalau belakangnya G dia jelas thing. I have one thing. Saya punya satu hal. Okay, so what is the best thing for you that we doing virtual tarawih or virtual iftar or live streamed lectures or live streamed Quran recitation? What is the best thing from you? I will ask one by one. So how about you, Miss Diska? Do you have any opinion? What is your opinion? You choose for virtual tarawih or virtual iftar actually?
I think the best choice for fasting is live streamed Quran recitation.
Live streamed Quran recitation.
Because if I have friend to Quran recitation, it's very different if I read by myself.
Okay, really different if you read by yourself. Okay, so you must have other people to correct you, right? So you must have other
Yes.
people. Okay.
My friend can correct me if I wrong.
Oh yes, if you have a mistake. Okay, that's good idea. Okay, so Miss Diska choose live streamed Quran recitation because Miss Diska can reading Al Quran together with her friends. So her friends can correct her when she has a mistake when she reading Al Quran. So that's good. Okay. So I will ask to Miss Eka. What is your opinion, Miss Eka, for this actually? What you should choose? Yes.
Okay. I think virtual method exactly is virtual tarawih.
Virtual tarawih.
I choose virtual tarawih because since many people cannot do tarawih worksheet, virtual tarawih is better. We can be guide online If we cannot do it by ourselves, we can follow it ourselves at home.
Oh, okay, okay. That's good. That's good. Okay, that's really good answer actually. Yes, actually, Miss Eka chose virtual tarawih because she has reason. If we doing virtual tarawih, it will guide us uh, to doing tarawih at homes like that, because many of people, they cannot do tarawih, they cannot doing tarawih at homes, yeah, because yeah, sometimes we being lazy doing tarawih, or because we
Yes,
don't have any leader or imam, ya, to lead tarawih prayers, untuk memimpin salat tarawih. So if we doing online or virtual tarawih, actually virtual is virtual tarawih. So virtual is like a bimbingan, ya, virtual tarawih, ya, virtual. Yes, you can use your Android phone, you can use your device. Ya, device is alat, you can use your devices, alat-alat Anda, like your Android phone, to have virtual tarawih, bimbingan tarawih. Yes, so you can follow the tarawih, Anda bisa mengikuti tarawih, ya. Um, what you should say in tarawih, like that. Apa yang harus Anda ucapkan, like praying in tarawih, ya, berdoa di tarawih, ya, something like that. Okay, so that will be guide you. Okay. Yeah, because many people lazy doing tarawih at home because they don't have guidelines. Mereka nggak punya pedoman, nggak punya bimbingan. Okay, so
yes,
this is really good if you see a virtual tarawih, virtual tarawih. Okay, so it will guide you. Okay, so that's a really good answer from Miss Eka. It's a really good answer. Okay, then Mr. Iqbal, please your
Ya,
opinion. Yes, what you should choose in this choice, di pilihan ini. What you should choose? Apa yang harus Anda pilih?
this is live streamed Quran recitation
Okay, why? Why?
because because the, this simple uh, cara simple beribadah
Okay,
ibadah.
worship. The way of simple way.
Yuk.
This is the simple way of worship. Simple way of
Oh,
worship. Cara
because
simple. Okay.
because this is a simple way of worship.
Okay. What else? Apalagi? What else?
Uh,
Yes. That's good. That's the simple way of worship. Yes.
itu aja.
Okay. That's good. So your answer is you choose live streamed Quran recitations. Okay, so it's same with means this guy actually, Mr. Iqbal. Your opinion is same with Miss Diska, live streamed Quran recitation. Okay, so you said that this is the simple way of worship, or simple way to worshiping Allah. Cara mudah untuk beribadah kepada Allah, cara simple. Yeah, so you can control your Al-Quran recitation, with your friends, yeah, with your communities, and even you reading Al-Quran at your own homes, ya, di rumah Anda sendiri-sendiri, at your own homes, but you can still control each other, masih bisa mengontrol satu dengan yang lain, each other, ya. so you can correct each other. This is like Miss Tiska said, like Miss Tiska argumentations. Okay, that's all good actually. Yes, uh, that's all good. So I will choose the best thing. Yes, yes. So this is all good actually. All can be make argumentation. Bisa buat argumentasi semuanya. Okay. Okay, but yeah, all good and virtual travel also good. Then live streamed Quran recitation also good. Okay, so okay, that's good. That was good actually. So the best in this is the best. We actually we cannot say the best, right, for this because everything good for us, right? Like streamed Quran recitation also good. Then virtual travel also good. Yeah, so yeah, you have the goods opinion and the goods reason also. That's good. Virtual iftar, I think for virtual iftar is not so important, right? How about you, Miss Diska, for virtual iftar? Is that important or not for us? For virtual iftar, Miss Diska.
Yeah,
Yes, if we do virtual iftar, is that important or not actually for
yeah, I
us?
think it's important for us.
Important, okay. Um, and how about you, Mr. Iqbal? If we do virtual iftar, is that important or not for us?
Yeah, important.
Important. So why? Why it's so? Why it's important actually? Why? Why? Can you explain to me, Miss Tiska? I want to know about Miss Tiska answer first. Why it's important if we do virtual iftar? Why? What is your reason actually, Miss Tiska, for this?
Yeah, Mister?
Yes. What is your reason for virtual iftar? Why it's important to doing that? Yes.
Uh, because we are a Muslim, so it is important for Muslim.
Yes. Virtual. Virtual. The meaning
Yes, that's
is
all.
yes. Virtual. Virtual. Yes. Like virtual. Like a bimbingan, right? Virtual. Yes. Like a bimbingan.
Enggak
Like
deh.
that's virtual. Do you know about virtual actually, Miss Diska? This is like a bimbingan like that, right? Virtual.
Yeah, Mister?
Yes, virtual. Do you know virtual, right? Virtual.
I think the method the virtual is this in
Yes.
this is so
Yes.
important because we are Muslim and yeah, that's all.
Okay, that's it. Itu saja. That's it. Okay,
Yeah.
so yes, virtual iftar is like a bimbingan iftar. Yes, cara-cara or tuntunan ya, guidelines buka puasa. Ya, for example, when you are open fasting, ketika Anda buka puasa, what you should choose, apa yang harus Anda pilih, or what you should do, apa yang harus Anda lakukan. Yeah. At first, usually you must drink, right? You must drink, harus minum ya, at first. First of all, ya, pertama-tama you must drink, ya, drink the mineral water or drink tea, hot tea like that. And you for better actually, better you eat dates. Do you know dates? Kurma, dates. Yeah, you eat dates, kurma. Mr. Iqbal, do you know dates kurma? Do you know dates? Dates, the meaning is kurma. Do you know kurma, Mr. Iqbal?
Kurma.
Kurma, kurma. Dates, date, dates, kurma. DATE, kurma. Do you know kurma?
Kurma
Yeah, kurma, kurma, kurma. Kurma, do you know?
is fruit.
Yes.
Fruit.
That.
Buah.
That is, yeah, kurma, yes, buah, fruit, yes, fruit. Fruit that. Buah kurma. Yes, do you know that? Miss Diska, do you know that? Kurma?
Yes, Mister.
Do you know that? Kurma? Do you know that? Kurma?
Kurma.
Yes. Do you know
Yes.
that? Okay. So, for the better choice, ya pilihan yang terbaik, if you open fasting, you eat dates, right? At first, you drink, then you eat that, and it's some food but not too much. Ya, makan berapa makanan tetapi nggak terlalu banyak. Yes, then after that you doing maghrib prayers. Anda melaksanakan sholat maghrib. Yes, this is the virtual iftar actually also good. Yeah, because this is the guidelines, bimbingan, right? Virtual bimbingan. Yeah, so what you should choose, okay, also good, and actually all good in this. But the most important is live streamed Quran recitation, also the most important, also hal yang paling penting, and the virtual tarawih also the most important. Yes, and virtual iftar also the most important. Yes, virtual iftar is the most important also. Okay, that's good. That's good answer from you all. Okay, thank you for the timing. Thank you for your participants in this class in this afternoon. Hello, hello, Miss Diska. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, are you hearing me actually? The voice actually so many, actually so much of voice.
I
Okay,
can hear you, Mister.
okay. So I think this enough. This good, okay, and good argumentation from you actually, from Miss Eka, then from Mr. Iqbal, then from you also, Miss Diska. Okay, thank you for your
Yeah.
participants in this learning. Thank you. Okay, okay. So actually, do you have? I will ask to Miss Diska first. Do you have any problem when you are studying English, Miss Diska? Do you have any problem? Hello. Do you have any problem actually, Miss Diska, when you are learning English?
Yeah, Mister.
Yes, I am asking you. Anyway, do you have any problem when you are learning English?
Oh,
Do you have
can you repeat again?
do you have any problem when you are learning English?
Problem with English?
Yes, do you have any problem?
I just have problem with vocabulary and my pronouns is bad.
Okay, no problem. Yes, the vocabulary we can get a vocabulary when we are trying to speak with other person, or you can memorizing vocabulary about 100 vocabulary. So you can memorizing 100 vocabulary in English. You can get the vocabulary from dictionary, from the English dictionary. Do you know dictionary, Miss Diska? Do you know dictionary?
Yes, I have.
Yes, yes, dictionary from English dictionary, or you can get from Google Translate. Ya, you just thinking about, Anda hanya berpikir sesuatu, ya, just thinking about What you cannot say in English, apa yang nggak bisa kamu ucapkan dalam bahasa Inggris. Then you can write down on the paper. Kemudian Anda bisa tulis di atas kertas apa yang nggak bisa Anda ucapkan dalam bahasa Inggris, ya. Ditulis dalam bahasa Indonesia di atas kertas. Nah, berapa banyak itu yang kira-kira nggak bisa Anda ucapkan di atas kertas, ya. Minimal 100 kata. Nah, kemudian baru kita cari di Google Translate, satu demi satu baru kita cari di Google Translate. Kalau sudah kita dapat 100 kosakata itu, apa yang nggak bisa kita ucapkan dalam bahasa Inggris itu, baru kita hafal. Tapi lebih baik kita nggak usah menghafalnya, kita membaca saja. Jadi 100 kosakata yang ditulis di selembar kertas tadi, itu kita tempelkan di tempat yang mudah kita jumpai. Ya, semisalnya di depan pintu kamar kita. Jadi sehingga kalau kita keluar dari kamar, kita mesti lihat tulisan itu. Atau kita kalau mau tidur, kita mesti lihat tulisan itu. Nah, jadi bisa kita baca. Ya, 100 kosakata itu kita baca saja. Sehari semalam kita cuma membaca 1 kali saja. Kalau pagi nggak sempat, mungkin pas mau tidur kita baru baca. Sehari semalam 1 kali saja. Tapi sambil diucapkan bacanya, ya, seperti eat. Oh, eat apa ya artinya? Eat makan, drink minum, ya, sambil diucapkan seperti itu. 100 kata tadi. Ya, tidak usah dihafal, dibaca saja. Otomatis nanti dalam 2 minggu, dalam 3 minggu kita hafal dengan sendirinya 100 kosakata. Ya, karena kita menggunakan metode repetition, pengulangan. Ya, jadi sesuatu yang diulang-ulang pasti hafal. Tetapi kalau kita menghafal tidak hafal, malah susah. Kalau kita menghafal malah susah, tidak hafal. Tapi kalau kita membaca berulang-ulang, otomatis kita hafal. Jadi kita baca berulang-ulang. Sehari semalam kita baca sekali saja. Tapi itu rutin dilakukan selama 3 minggu. Otomatis di minggu kedua atau minggu ketiga kita akan hafal. Seperti itu. Mr. Iqbal, ada pertanyaan, Mr. Iqbal? Do you have any question for me? Mr. Iqbal, hello. Do you have any question?
No, I know. I
Okay.
don't have any
Yes.
question.
Okay, but you understand, right? What I said. Apa yang saya ucapkan? Do you understand? Do you understand, Mr. Iqbal? What I said? What I talking about? Do you understand?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So yes, actually English is really important for us. Yeah, so yeah, English is international language. So if you going abroad, jika Anda pergi ke luar negeri, you go anywhere in the world, you will need English. Yeah. So in the future, when you have any goals, punya cita-cita, want study in abroad, so you will need English for your communications and also your certification, your English certification. Because if you want to study in abroad, like in Australia, or actually you can make a silent mode first, please. I will closing this lesson. You can make silent mode because so many voices. Okay. Hello, Miss Tiska. Hello, Mr. Iqbal. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, I will closing this lesson in 3 minutes, and I will explain to you. I will explain to you. Yes. Yeah. So
Ini suara
actually,
apa?
yeah, so many voice actually. Yeah. So yeah, actually English is really important for us. So you need to learn English, yeah, to be better. Yeah, so you need to improve your English speaking because English is international language. So in the future, you will use English for your communications. Okay, do you understand, Miss Tiska? Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand, Mr.
Okay. So thank you for your participation in this lesson, and thank you, Mr. Iqbal. Jazakallah khairan, Mr. Iqbal.
Amin.
Yes, see you back again tomorrow. And I will send to your actually WhatsApp group about the material from YouTube. So you can see in few minutes. Anda bisa lihat dalam beberapa menit. And tomorrow I will asking you one by one. Everyone I will ask for 5 minutes. Setiap orang saya akan bertanya selama 5 menit about that video. You can explain that video. Anda bisa menjelaskan video itu. That I will send to your WhatsApp group. So you can explain the video one by one in 5 minutes tomorrow. Maybe in opening or in closing. Mungkin ada di pembukaan atau di penutupan. Yeah, something like that. Okay, thank you. Jazakallah khairan. Yes. Assalamualaikum. See you back again tomorrow.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye.